Attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Snow squall warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Van Angle County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania, central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous with impacts that include Punxsutawney, Katanning, Reimersburg, Shanner Northview, Slippery Rock, Reynoldsville, New Bethlehem, West Katanning, Sickesville, Chicora, East Brady, Harrisville, Rural Valley, Parker, Sligo, Worthington, Big Run, Dayton, Somerville, and Bruin. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Repeating, a snow squall warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Butler, Clarion, Indiana, Jefferson, and Van Angle.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.